Hey everyone, welcome back to Technicalomor YouTube channel, your one-stop destination for smart gadgets, real tech talk and honest reviews. Today, we're diving into something essential for every car owner, a powerful dual dashcam that promises peace of mind on the road. This is the Ombar DC42 dashcam and it's got some really solid features that set it apart in the dashcam world. Before we jump into the review, let's do a quick unboxing. So, the Ombar DC42 comes in a compact, well-designed box with minimal branding. Inside, the first thing you will see is the dashcam itself, and I have to say, it looks really premium. It's sleek, compact and feels well built in hand. Alongside that, you get the rear camera unit, a long power cable, car charger adapter, a 64GB TF memory card. Yes, it's included. Cable clips, mounting hardware, a user manual and even a plastic tool to help the wire management. Very neat packaging and everything you need to get started is here right out of the box. Now let's talk about performance and features because that's where the Ombar DC42 really shines. The biggest highlight is the dual recording capability. The front camera records in Ultra HD 4K while the rear camera captures in Full HD 1080p. That means crystal clear footage from both ends of your car. Whether it's capturing license plates, road signs or those little details, this dashcam delivers superb quality. During my test drives, I was genuinely impressed with the image quality. The front cam picks up sharp visuals even at high speeds and the rear cam holds its own pretty well too. But what really surprised me was the WDR and Super Night Vision technology. Driving at night or during cloudy conditions, no more worrying about blurry or dark video when driving under street lights or through tunnels. Another feature I love is the built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS. You can connect the dashcam to your phone using the Kacam app and it's super easy to use. You can view real-time footage, download videos and adjust settings directly from your phone. Plus, with GPS tracking, your videos come with detailed route info like speed, locations and directions. A big bonus for anyone who drives professionally or wants that added layer of documentation. And here is something even better. The Ombar DC42 works with its own GPS player software. When you play back your dashcam recordings on a computer using the GPS player, it doesn't just show the video. You will see the exact location of your car on a live map, your driving speed and the footage all in one screen. This makes reviewing the trips or verifying incident details a lot easier and more professional. Now, let's talk safety features because that's the real reason most of us buy a dashcam. The Ombar DC42 is loaded with smart accident protection features. First up is the G sensor, which automatically logs the footage in case of a sudden shake or collisions. That means if something unexpected happens, that clip will be safely stored and won't be overwritten. Speaking of storage, the dashcam supports loop recording, so it will automatically overwrite old footage when the memory is full. But don't worry, the emergency videos won't be touched. And here's the best part, it comes with a 64GB TF card pre-installed. That's more than enough to get started. And if you need more, it supports up to 512GB, which is rare for dashcams in this price range. Another standout feature is the 24-hour parking mode. Even when your car is off, the dashcam stays alert. If any motion or impact is detected, it will start recording automatically. This is a great peace of mind feature, especially if you park in public or less secure areas. Now, let's talk about performance in extreme temperatures. A lot of dashcams fail when it gets too hot or too cold. But the Ombar DC42 uses a super capacitor instead of regular lithium battery. What does that mean? It's more durable, more reliable and works better in both high heat and freezing cold. Perfect for places with unpredictable weather. Setting up the camera was pretty straightforward. The included mounting kit sticks easily to the windshield and there's enough cable to neatly run the wires along the edges. The app helps with adjusting the angles and once it's all set up, it just works. In terms of design, the dashcam has a discreet and minimal look, which I really appreciate. It doesn't block your view and it blends nicely with your car's interior. The buttons are tactile, the screen is bright and everything feels well thought out. Now, let's talk about who this dashcam is for. If you are someone who drives frequently, does rideshare or delivery work or just wants extra security while your car is parked, the Ombar DC42 is an excellent option. It combines premium features like 4K recording, rear camera coverage, app control, night vision and GPS all in one package without a massive price tag. Of course, no product is perfect. The only thing I would say is that the Kacam app, while functional, could use a bit of UI improvement. It works fine, but it's it's not the smoothest experience out there. Also, the rear camera quality, while good, isn't on the same level as the 4K front cam, but that's expected. To wrap things up, the Ombar DC42 dashcam is a seriously solid investment for anyone looking to upgrade their in-car security. You get dual 4K or 1080p recording, dependable night vision, smart safety features, GPS player support, and app connectivity, all backed by durable build quality and thoughtful extras like the included memory card and parking mode. If you're in the market for a reliable and high quality dashcam, this is one of the best choices in its class right now. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Technicalomor, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. And I will see you in the next one. Until then, drive safe and take care. Bye bye.